Hello, good morning dear students. In video second, last video, distribution of profit, this concept we have already discussed in a last video. Now in this video we will discuss about the partners capital account. Your point, partners capital account. In this point we will discuss about some important point, why the partners capital are prepared and how the partners capital account is prepared, what methods are using for preparing partners capital account. We will discuss in this. So point to be noted here, partners capital accounts. Is it clear? Partners capital accounts are maintained as per two methods. These two methods are, the first method is fixed capital methods. Is it clear? The first method is fixed capital method and the second method is the fluctuating capital method. Is it clear? Partners capital accounts are prepared by using two important methods, fixed capital method and the second fluctuating capital method. What are the basic differentiate between the fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method? Now we will discuss about it. Point to be noted, in fixed capital method, the capital introduced, the original capital introduced partners remains constant. Under fixed capital method, original capital introduced by the partners remains constant unless additional capital is not introduced as per partnership agreement. Point to be noted here, as per fixed capital method, the partners original capital remains constant until additional capital introduced as per partnership agreement. Is it clear? While in fluctuating capital method, the partners original capital change as per next transaction or whenever we record any transactions. Any transaction recording, the fluctuating capital account balance has been changed. Is it clear? So the first difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method, in fixed capital method, the original capital balance remains constant until additional capital introduced by the partner as per an agreement, while in fluctuating capital, the capital balance of partner will change as per transaction recorded in the particular account. Is it clear? The second differentiate between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method is, as per fixed capital method, there are two accounts prepared, one partners capital account and second partners current account. Is it clear? As per fixed capital method, there are two accounts prepared, partners capital account and partners current account, while under fluctuating capital method only one account is prepared, that is partners capital account. Is it clear? The third point, if in the question there is nothing information about which method is used for partners capital account, in such situation always fluctuating capital method will be used. Point to be noted, if in the question no information has been given in question, in such situation fluctuating capital method will be used for partners capital. Point number 4, according to fixed capital method, two accounts are prepared, or as per fluctuating capital only one account method is prepared. Now we will discuss how the partners capital account is prepared under fixed capital method and how the partners current account prepared under fixed capital method. We will discuss here. So here I have given a important formula and important format of partners capital account. Note to be here, partners capital account under fixed capital method. In partners capital account under fixed capital method, first the balance of capital always credit. the partner's capital balance will be always credit. So it will be recorded in the credit side of this by balance BD, by balance BD, back down, opening balance. So opening balance of capital must be credit here. Is it clear? So it will be recorded in credit side of partner's capital account by balance BD. A's balance in A's column, B's balance in B's column. Is it clear? Next, second point, by case point, additional capital introduced by partner as per an agreement. If any amount is introduced by the partner in the firm as per an agreement, it will be recorded in the credit side, because additional capital increase the balance of capital of the partner. So it will be recorded in the credit side. If A introduce, amount will be written in A's column. If B introduce, amount will be written in the B's column. Is it clear? In the credit side, in the debit side of this account, only one transaction will be recorded. That is the two case withdrawn out of capital. Point to be noted here, withdrawn out of capital. If any partner withdraw any amount from firm out of capital, it will be recorded in partner's capital account under fixed capital method in the debit side of this account. Two case, point to be noted, withdrawn out of capital. Is it clear? It will be recorded here. No problem. After the balance of credit greater than balance of debit, this will be closing balance of partner's capital. To balance CD. Credit balance is greater than debit balance. A's balance greater than, credit balance of A is greater than debit balance of A. Your balance will be to balance CD. That is called the closing balance. I hope this concept you understood properly. Now the second account, partner's current account under fixed capital. Partner's current account balance either be debit or either be credit. Point to be noted. Partner's current account balance either be debit or either be credit. It will be given in information in the question. It may be debit. If the current account balance is debit, it will be recorded in the debit side to balance BD. If current account balance is given credit, it will be recorded in credit by balance BD. Understand? If current account balance is debit, to balance BD in the debit side. If current account balance is credit, it will be recorded in the credit side of the current account by balance BD. Is it clear? And the other transactions relating to the partner, and other transactions relating to the partner which increases the current account balance will be recorded in the credit side, and the particular partners related transaction which decrease the current account balance will be recorded in the debit side. Like interest on capital increases the partner's balance, so it will be recorded in credit side by interest on capital, A's amount, B's amount. Is it clear? By partner's salary, commission, bonus, A's amount, B's amount, because these amount increases the partner's current account balance. While drawings, point to be noted here, drawings out of profit, drawings out of capital will be recorded in partner's capital account. Drawings out of profit will be recorded in partner's current account. Drawings amount decreases the current account balance, that's why it will be recorded in the debit side of a partner's current account. And interest on drawing also decrease the partner's current account balance, that's why it will be recorded in the debit side, interest on drawing. Is it clear? The amount A, if A's amount in A's column, B's amount we will write in the B's column. After recording all the transactions relating to the partner, we will find the closing balance. Either it may be debit or either it may be credit. If credit balance is greater than debit balance, we will write here to balance CD. If credit balance is greater than debit balance, we will write to balance CD. While if debit balance is greater than credit balance, we will write by balance CD. Is it clear? Fixed capital method we have discussed here, how to these two accounts are prepared, partners capital account as well as partners current account. Now we will discuss about the fluctuating capital method. As per fluctuating capital method, how the partners capital account are prepared. First point to be noted here, fluctuating capital is used when nothing information given in the question. When nothing information given in the question, in such situation fluctuating capital method will be used. As per fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared, that is partners capital account. How the partners capital account is prepared? It's a combination of both account, partners capital account and partners current account. Partners capital account under fluctuating capital is a combination of partners capital account and partners current account as per fixed capital method. Like in such condition, the capital balance either may be debit or either may be credit. If there is the balance credit, it will be recorded in credit side by balance BD, or if the balance is debit, it will be recorded in the debit side to balance BD. Is it clear? Under fluctuating capital method, the balance of partners capital either debit or credit. Is it clear? If the balance is credit, it will be recorded in the credit side by balance BD. If the particular partner's balance is debit, it will be recorded in the debit side to balance BD. Is it clear? Later on, if any amount is introduced by the partner, so by this transaction the partner's capital balance will be increases, that's why it will be recorded in the credit side by case additional capital introduced by A or by B, particular partner A or B, particular partner A or B. Is it clear? By interest on capital, interest on capital also increases the partner's capital account balance, that's why it will be recorded in the credit side A's and B's amount. Partners salary, commission, bonus and remuneration also increases the partner's capital balance, that's why it will also be recorded in the credit side. Is it clear? In the debit side, these two items will be recorded. Two case drawings. In such condition, both kind of drawing, either out of capital or out of a profit, both drawings will be recorded here. Two case drawings made by the partner. Is it clear? Under fluctuating capital method, both type of drawings will be recorded, either capital or out of a profit. Is it clear? Interest on drawing also reduce the partner's capital balance, that's why it will be recorded in the debit side of the partner's capital account to interest on drawing. Is it clear? After recording all the transactions relating to the partners, we will close the particular account and find the closing balance. If credit balance is greater than, then we will write here to balance CD. Is it clear? If the debit balance is greater than, we will write by balance CD. And after closing, writing by balance CD or to balance CD, your both the side will be equal. I hope you understood the concept partners capital, how to partners capital account is prepared and what are the important rules to be used while preparing partners capital accounts. If any kind of doubt you are getting, you can ask me by comment or by call. Thanks.